Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free SEO training, I'm going to be talking about how to use a website called Lean Domain Search to help you with your business as well as your other marketing strategies. So, I got a comprehensive guide here. Now, this is going to help you to be able to do keyword-driven domain search. This is going to also help you do brand-focused domain search, trend-based domain search, as well as I have some additional tips. Plus, and this is the website, plus this video actually complements a previous video that I made called how to get high authority expired or expiring domains. So in this video, I'll go over a strategy using Domain Checker and another website called Repost SEO. And I give you a place where you can go to find expired domains in this video. It's a really good video that I definitely recommend you check out. It's a very useful strategy, especially if you're looking for domains that already have pre-existing high domain authority. But in this video, I'm mainly just going to be talking about finding domains using this website, Lean Domain Search, and I got a comprehensive strategy here that I want to share with you. So this video is not going to be as long as this one. This is about 17 minutes. Understanding Lean Domain Search. Typically, it's a tool that helps marketers find short, memorable, and potentially valuable domain names. These domains are often seen as more attractive to users due to their simplicity and ease of recall. So strategy number one, keyword-driven domain search. So you can identify target keywords, determine the primary keywords or phrases relevant to your business or niche. You can search for domain variations. So for an example, if you type in puppy dogs one-on-one, click on it, I just got puppy dogs in there. They'll give you all the available domains plus all these different variations. You can even use this when you're just creating a brand or you're creating a new Instagram page. So Puppy Dogs World, Puppy Dogs Media, Puppy Dog Shop. They found 10,000 available domains containing Puppy Dogs Blog, Puppy Dogs Group. So consider variations like plurals, hyphens, or acronyms. And then number three, evaluate domain quality. Assess the domain's relevance, memorability, and potential for SEO. And that's where this video comes in right here, where you can use this domain checker. And even if you just go to the description, you'll see it right here, domain authority checker, expireddomains.net, Wayback Machine, domain authority checker, expired domains. Be sure to refer to this page so that once you get a domain using Lean Domain Search, that you check the domain authority as well as this page authority. And then the domain quality, I also show you how to use the Wayback Machine to see if, make sure there's no other things on there like it used to be a domain that hosted porn and stuff like that. So I go over that towards the end part of this video where I show you how to do basically a security check on that domain. So you can pick one that reflects your business's identity. And then number two, search for domain availability. You can use this website to check if these brand names are available as domains. And number three, consider the variations. If the exact brand name that you want is unavailable, then explore variations with hyphens or numbers. Now that might not be possible anymore. So you just scroll down here and look for what you're particularly searching for. And if you can't find it, then you can try adding in, different variations like numbers or hyphens in there. Now, I don't believe that you can actually put that in here, but if you go to if you actually put hyphen in there, let's see what happens. Click enter. See right here, it only allows for letters and spaces only. But if you see something in here and you actually want to add some numbers and hyphens, then you can go to GoDaddy or any other regular domain search tool from places like Hostinger, and you'll be able to see what's available that way with hyphens and numbers. Strategy number three, niche specific domain search. So you can use Lean Domain Search to identify niche relevant terms, research terms or phrases that are common in your niche. Number two, search for domain combinations. Combine these terms with generic domain extensions like .com, .net, or .org. And then number three, evaluate domain potential. You can assess the domain's relevance to your target audience and its potential for long-term growth. And I'll have all those resources in the description to better help you with that. And then strategy number four, trend-based domain search. Number one, monitor industry trends. This can help you stay updated on latest trends and buzzwords in your industry. So you take basically your basic niche in there, and then you can take any one of these and then do a search on it and get all the information that you need to know regarding that specific keyword. Search for trending domains. Use Lean Domain Search to find domains related to trends. So like if you're using Google Trends, you can basically find something in here, a domain. You can create a website that's related to that existing trend. And number three, evaluate long-term relevance. Consider whether the trend is likely to persist or if it's just a short-lived fad. And that also goes into your consideration when you're buying a domain. And then some additional tips, the domain's age. While not always a deal breaker, older domains can sometimes have a slight SEO advantage. I talk about that extensively in that video, how to get high authority expired or expiring domains, as well as this, the domain history, checking the domain's history to ensure it hasn't been associated with any negative content, as I was saying earlier, like porn and stuff like that. And then domain extensions. While .com is still the most popular, consider other extensions like .net, .org if they align with your brand or niche, and the availability. So you can regularly check for the domain's availability as new domains become available or existing ones are released. And that's just about every single day. And then also trademark considerations. Ensure that your chosen domain doesn't infringe on any existing trademark. And if you're in the United States, I'll have that website in the description because I actually had to do that just recently with the Home Business Blueprint. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was short, just like I said, but very, very thorough, but very in-depth. So make sure you watch this again and apply it as you're going about your domain research, because it'll help you out tremendously. And I hope you enjoy it. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to my channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic, increasing sales, artificial intelligence and automation, copywriting tutorials, search engine optimization, email marketing, affiliate marketing strategies, objection handling and closing, sales. So you're definitely going to want to subscribe if you're into any of that. And also take a look at the SEO checklist right in the description. It's completely free. You can have it accompany you as you're going about your search engine optimization strategy. So as you're doing on-page SEO or off-page SEO, you can have this checklist right by your side, and you can go down the list just to make sure that you're covering all bases, because a lot of times we can forget stuff. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next video. See you then.